Hey, welcome to my channel. I've been working on my MGSD wing lately, and if you could see my build table right now, it's a total mess. Today we're not building the wing Gundam yet, because I want to show you guys the high-grade Zaku from the GQuuuuuuX series. And this one, I really don't know what to say about the design. You'll see what I mean in a bit. And because I know it's gonna take me way longer to finish my wing Gundam, so I decided to just do a quick snap build on this one. I didn't want to disappear for too long, just want to keep this channel running. There are two interchangeable head parts, one standard Zaku head and one commander type with the antenna. Applying the stickers was one of the hardest parts. They just won't stick properly. I had to glue most of the stickers on. Other than the stickers, the build is pretty straightforward. I don't know if it's just me, but do you guys also have trouble with these stickers? Why does it look like it's wearing shoes? It reminds me of the Nike Gundam. I really thought this was gonna be a quick build, but these stickers are taking forever. I actually cut out most of the footage of me applying them because honestly, nobody wants to watch me struggle with stickers for 20 minutes. I don't know how to explain this without sounding like I'm overthinking it. But this is just one of those designs that makes me wonder if I should just skip this episode. The whole time I thought I was not building it right or something. I tried fixing this so many times. And eventually, I just went, whatever. Those round hip pieces make it look like it got butt cheeks on both sides. Articulation is solid though. Oh yeah, mechanically, it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. This Zaku didn't just step into a different timeline, it also came back slightly redesigned. Anyway, that's today's build. Let me know what's your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching today and hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next one.